Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Do you want an energy source that's reliable in any location? Look no further. Solar chargers provide a sustainable and dependable way to keep your phone, laptop, or other devices powered. To help make finding the right product easier than ever before, we have compiled a list of some thoroughly researched long-tail keywords for solar chargers so you can quickly find what works best for your needs. Portable solar chargers for camping. For outdoor adventurers and campers alike, portable solar chargers are now a must-have item. These convenient devices allow you to charge multiple electronics at once on your journeys, from phones and tablets to cameras or speakers. Compact in size but powerful enough for group camping trips, these efficient chargers make it easy for everyone to stay connected when off the grid. Solar phone chargers for backpacking. Stay connected with nature and your friends. With a solar phone charger, you can explore the great outdoors while still being able to enjoy modern technology. These foldable chargers are perfect for backpackers, they fit into any bag easily, some even featuring waterproof designs so you don't have to worry about getting them wet. So go ahead and plan that epic journey, this little friend has got your back, and battery. Solar panel chargers with LED lights. Take your gear off the grid with a solar panel charger and LED light combo. With this versatile device, you can get the power to keep all of your devices running while also having soothing lighting for your campsite or tent in the great outdoors. Perfect for both long hikes and emergency outages, discover new possibilities with an eco-friendly solution. High-capacity solar chargers for laptops. Unleash your productivity, wherever you are. With a high-capacity solar charger for laptops, the possibilities for remote work and entertainment become endless. No need to worry about running out of power on that beach trip or road journey, just connect up with sunshine and stay connected no matter where life takes you. Solar panel car chargers for road trips. For your next adventure, why not be prepared with a solar panel car charger? This device provides an eco-friendly way to keep all of your devices powered up while on the open road. With fast charging capabilities and waterproof designs for aquatic adventures, you can stay connected no matter where life takes you. If you're the adventurous type looking for a power source, solar chargers are here to save your day. Whether it's camping trips or backpacking journeys, there is an array of options tailored to fit any need, ensuring that reliable and sustainable energy is always by your side. So don't let yourself be tethered down in emergency situations or on-the-go lifestyles. Take control with a convenient solar charger today. When searching for the perfect solar charger, think about your needs and how you'll be using it. Will there be limited sunlight? Will multiple devices need to charge simultaneously? No matter what challenges come up, make sure you look at all of the features before deciding on a purchase. Capacity and charging speed are key factors that determine its performance. Ports let you recharge several items in one go. Make sure these details fit into your specific requirements so that when power runs out, nothing has to stop. Investing in a solar charger can be the key to accessibility and productivity when you never know where your travels will take you. Whether it's for business or pleasure, having an eco-friendly source of energy that is reliable regardless of location opens up endless possibilities. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.